Hello YouTube, I got another video here. I created a new ebook. It's called Making Money Online with the Big Three. I've written by myself. Just doing a little quick video about it so you can take a look. This is the table of contents here, 10 chapters. How to make money online with YouTube, email lists, and a blog. I'll show you step by step how I do it. If you want to download this ebook, it's free. You click the link below the box. You could download the video the ebook for free, no charge. Create this video for anybody who's trying to make money online. So, yeah, check it out. You get opportunity. Share it. Share my video. Share my link to its free download. Again, it's free to download this ebook. 10 chapters, quick read. It'll take long to read it a while. And yeah, the table of contents. Just why you need email list, YouTube, blog, email services, landing pages, stuff you need to make money online. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.